squid, guys. It has to be. See it go under. Oh, cuttlefish. There we go. Good to eat, we know. So the plan worked, gents. I mean, not very picturesque, but take a look at that. We'll be keeping that.